Welcome to FoneFunshop. This is our ultimate rework station and microscope set. Just explaining what's coming. You've got your full microscope with the HDMI output, which outputs it to a screen. As you can see, it's really powerful and clear. And on your microscope, you've got a good height to work with. I'll explain that a little more later. You get your flux, tweezers, caption tape, some complementary screwdrivers. You also get additional lenses. This is the 0.5 lens, which goes on the bottom. We're using a 0.7 lens, which we find is the best one. But the 0.5 lens is really good as well. So here we've got the soldering iron, which comes with a standard tip, which is really good, but we do use the blade tips as well for charging port jobs, etc. So you do get the extra tips, which are really handy. Same with the rework station, we tend to use the extra nozzles, which is angled. So with it being angled, you can work a lot better under your microscope. Yeah, so that's all that comes with the microscope and the rework station set from FoneFunshop.